Good morning ka-friendship! Today's video ay magluluto tayo ng ginataang langka or jackfruit with coconut milk. Okay, so sit back and relax and please enjoy watching this video until the end. Here are the ingredients. Meron tayo ditong 500 grams na langka, 200 grams na pork, meron tayong 6 cloves garlic, 1 piece onion, 1 piece tomato, 1 piece siling haba, 2 pieces calamansi, and of course gagamit tayo ng salt and pepper, cooking oil, and fresh coconut milk. Okay, so ka-friendship, let's do the rock and roll. Sa isang preheated pan, maglalagay tayo ng cooking oil. Isasawtay natin yung ating garlic. Dagdag na rin natin yung ating sibuyas. Saka yung ating kamatis. Dagdag na rin natin yung ating pork. And at this point, pwede na tayo magdagdag ng konting salt. Yung ating pepper. So, yan, igisa lang natin mabuti yung ating pork and chef hanggang sa maging golden brown siya. Okay, so balikan natin sa later. Chef, golden brown na yung ating pork. What we're going to do next is magtagtag tayo ng kumukulong tubig. Just to make sure na magluluto yung ating pork. Ayan. So, isi-simmer lang natin siya ka-friendship hanggang sa lumambot or hanggang sa maluto yung ating pork. Balikan natin siya later. Ayan ka-friendship, luto na yung ating pork. So, at this point, pwede na natin idagdag yung ating hiniwa na langka. So, ayan. So, isi-simmer lang natin siya ka-friendship hanggang sa maluto o hanggang sa lumambot yung ating langka. So, ayan, balikan natin siya later. Ayan na po ka-friendship, luto na yung ating langka. So, what we're going to do next is itagdag natin yung ating fresh coconut milk. So, ayan. Pakuluan lang natin siya ka-friendship ng at least 2 minutes. Balikan natin siya later. Friendship, what we are going to do next is mag-squeeze tayo ng dalawang calamansi to enhance the flavor of our ginataang langka. So, ayan na siya ka-friendship. Ito na yung ating ginataang langka. So, ready for serving na siya. Ito yung ating finished product, ang ating ginataang langka. Okay, so i-garnish lang natin siya ng siling haba. So, ayan. So, ayan na siya ka-friendship. Sana nagustuhan ninyo ang ating ginataang langka for today. Kindly hit that like and share button, and to those who are new to my channel, please do hit that subscribe button and kindly include the notification. And every single comment is highly appreciated. Once again, this is Mira at your service. Always remember, great things never came from your comfort zone. Okay, thank you very much for watching. See you on my next video. God bless us all. Bye-bye!